Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure on Google, outrank your competition, and of course get more customers. So let's start here. I have your website in front of my screen right now. And one of the first things that I have to recommend is to add more relevant content. And when I say content, I'm not just talking about the images, the icons, I'm talking more about the text that your website has. Why is this so important? Why do I bring this up? Because when you add keywords, for example, something that tells us what you serve, what services do you provide, for example, HVAC in Delaware or air cooling and heating in Delaware, things like that, you have to surround it with text. So when Google reads through your website, they understand what you actually providing. The concept of adding content comes into play because Google loves to see a lot of content. They love to see a lot of information in websites. So in their eyes, you're actually legit. Um, that being said, I can see that you have not too much of a content here, but I don't see any specific keywords going on. So you're probably not being found on Google. And I can show you that I use this tool called Ahrefs. And what this does is they pick data from your website based on Google criteria. So you're being found for 59 keywords over here, and you have around 205 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and it gives you power, so you can be found on Google. Think about it like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same principle applies here with the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and dozens of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, you're not going to see the result that you want, and probably your rating is not going to go up. So backlinks are connected to the keywords that are being found in your content. Simple as that. So let's take a look and see what keywords are being found for. So this is your branding name. You're ranking in first position, but nothing really relevant that can bring customers to your business, right? And you can see that you've been ranking, trying to rank this your brand name all over the place, which is not bad, but you want to have your website to bring you value to your business. You want your website to be a tool for your business that can actually get more customers, and you don't have to worry about it, trying to find the leads or anything like that. So if we go to Google and type something that is really has a high volume in searches, HVAC Delaware, the first thing you're gonna see here is your traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. And if you decide to go this route, you gotta be really careful because if you don't know what you're doing, you're probably gonna be ending investing a lot of money not seeing the results that you want. Um, then we have the map section, and again, if you would have your profile of Google, your Google business profile, optimized with images, and if you have reviews and you reply to those reviews, that's very important as well because that, in the eyes of Google, they love to see that, and they'll see that you are actually um, a really good business owner that takes care of clients. So keep that in mind because if you're not here, you're probably not going to be here, and we're going to see that because there was no keywords that you were targeting to, in this case, HVAC Delaware. And we're going to see why then we have these organic results, of course. Almost forgot about it. Number one, we got Delaware Heat and Air.com. Then number two, got these guys. Number three, Yelp, and so on. So we're going to see why these guys are ranking number one and why are the benefits of the um, why it's so important to be number one or at least in this top three. So we have their website over here, and even though you don't see that much of a content, they target specific keywords. For example, HVAC contractor, Newark, Delaware, affordable HVAC service, things like that. You can see here. So they don't have that much content, and this can play in your favor because if you have more content than they have here with probably the same keywords or other keywords that actually have volume, you can actually see the results in a short period of time. But if we go see in the back end of their website, they're being found for almost 1,400 keywords. That's quite a lot. And then they have around 210, 14 backlinks. And you can see that they're probably not really good quality because their rating is not that high. But if we go look and see the keywords that they're being found for really quick, you can see here Delaware heating and air has 200 searches a month, and because they're ranking number one, they're getting 72 visits straight to their website. It could be 72 chances of getting customers in 1 month. This keyword that we were just looking at on Google, 100 searches a month, which is not bad. And because they're ranking number one, they're getting 45. So 45 plus this 72 is 107, I think. And those are 107 chances they can get customers each month. So if you put it like that, it makes a lot of sense because of the volume of searches they get these visits. So this is why these guys are being number one, because they understand how important it is to get these possible clients visiting their website, and that can bring a lot of value to their business. So that being said, I don't want to take too much of your time, but very simple to try to put this in simple words. I'm sorry. Content is very important. If you add relevant keywords that can help your business, same thing. You have to surround it with relevant content over here, relevant text, so Google can actually understand and make sure that you are legit, if that makes sense. Once again, my name is Alex. I hope you find this information useful, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.